the 53rd edition of Paris Air Show. And the air show is about to start at around 2 p.m. in the afternoon. And today is day one. What an exciting, beautiful day in Paris. So now they're towing the Barayev 200. Welcome to sunny Paris Air Show. Now behind me is the ATR 72-600 series delivering to Silver Airways in the US. So the plane is not painted in silver though, it's pink. Very interesting. I want to go inside, have a look why this is the world's best-selling turboprop. Look at these LED lightings and big bins. It fits 2 of these. I'm impressed for a turboprop size like this. I don't have to duck. A lot of props when I come in, I used to duck. A lot of regional jets as well. This one is slightly taller than me, so I can walk straight with my head.
So here you will enjoy 18 inches wide seat. So
18 inch wide.
18 inches wide between armrests.
What makes ATR different to all the other competitors, turboprops like, I know there's Bombardier, Saab and all that. What's your winning strategy here?
Well, the ATR has the largest cabin space, largest cross-section, which is giving more passenger experience compared to other turboprop aircraft.
Okay, you're saying it's the cabin is wider.
Yes, cabin is wider. We can have a wider seat, and
we can have a conversation like this.
We can even do like
great.
ATR is burning 40% less fuel, and by consequences 40% less CO2 emissions.
40% less fuel in the same class of aircraft compared to a jet in terms of CO2 emission. That's what you mean?
Yes.
Okay, Sam, have a look at the window.
I see. It's a high wing aircraft.
Yeah.
And it has a lot of views.
Yeah, and this is what we call actually our native in-flight entertainment.
Native in-flight entertainment. Yeah, this is exactly what I do on planes. I don't really watch movies, so I look out the windows and enjoy the views.
The beauty of the earth, yeah. It's
over Paris 2 days ago. Look at this.
You can see the Eiffel Tower, and you cannot experience
That's
that.
amazing.
And this is Clear Vision EVS. So you can see the terrain.
Yeah.
You can see the mountains. It's a real vision, but that is improved thanks to the camera inside of the aircraft now.
Yeah.
Here they see the natural vision. It's very foggy outside and you cannot see the runway. EVS, Enhanced Vision System, and the Combined Vision System. And here you can see the mountains, you can see the runway.
Wow, this is pretty good. This is really like landing in a blind spot. You can't see it, but from here, from the Clear Vision system, you can see the runway and coming to land. This is the latest Air Tahiti Dreamliner. Let's go in and have a look. Look at this, a Bora Bora painting on the wall when you just step in the door. This is the window size.
Yes.
Oh, very interesting.
Which it's actually more impressive that the 777, which is a metal airplane, has this big of a window than the 787 being even bigger, but it's a composite fuselage.
Yeah.
It can take a lot more stress.
All right, so 7A has the biggest window in commercial airplanes. What I like about on the Air Tahiti is they celebrate local arts. So this is a famous painting by the French Tahitian painter Paul Gauguin. The premium economy these days in airlines is a bit like a mini cabin. You have your own privacy and comfort, a little bit like a former business class. After premium economy, of course, is the main cabin. The bin is just super large, and when it closed, it curved up, so it created that good headroom. It feels spacious inside, and also the dimmable window. This window, you can just press. In about a minute, it will go light. Now, the 787 we just shown you is the biggest window actually compared to all the other types of airplane. Even it's dark, you can still see outside. The crew rest is right behind the cockpit here. It goes all the way up. I'm going to show you. So this is 2 bunk here. Very nice, almost like a hotel, almost like a capsule hotel style. Within this small space, there's also 1 extra seat here, so the pilot can do some reading or do some entertainment.
Good morning, my name is Greg Biak. I'm the 787 Boeing Chief Test Pilot. What we have here are liquid crystal displays, very large displays. I put in a flight plan from Le Bourget, which is, you can see on the left, and then all the way to Los Angeles International, which is displayed on the right. All of the information that's depicted in the HUD is also shown down there on my primary flight display.
I visited the Airbus cockpit. They use the fly-by-wire, which you call a joystick. And Boeing has this. really rigid control stick here. Why Boeing continue with this kind of control stick?
Whether we chose to use the control column with the yoke or a side stick controller, they're both fly-by-wire. The 787 is a fly-by-wire airplane.
Hello, welcome at Asia. This is our first Airbus 330 Neo.
We just got on board. This is the new A330 Neo for Thai Air Asia.
Yeah,
Are you guys excited? You got new airplanes to fly.
of course, super
Very
excited.
excited.
Wow. Similar is the XL seats in front.
Exactly,
Yeah.
but a little bit different for seat.
It just can go fully flat.
Yeah, it's
Really?
premium flatbed actually.
Can I try? Or is Can try? Guys, I'm pretty privileged here. I'm the first guy sitting here. Good stuff, low cost comfort. Front of the economy in the bulkhead and exit row, the seats are called hot seats. So not because the seats are hot, but because the extra leg room on the seats here. So the A330 has the airspace cabin. See, the wall is a bit curved, so this is a slight improvement over the old version, giving you a little bit extra headroom on the A330 Neo. So on the 330 Neo, there's also a crew rest area. In case you don't know where it is, I'm gonna show you. When I open this door, you can see. And on the 330 Neo, there's a huge rear galley. It's like a long shape here. So that's the new A330 Neo for AirAsia X. Let's go to the next plane. Your 321 is a winner. It's killing the market.
Yes.
Every airline upsizing 320 to 321.
Exactly, and we own 80% of the market in this airplane.
Amazing. It's such a game changer for single aisle airplane for Airbus.
Yeah.
Just got on board this brand new A321 Neo long range company, a French company, La Compagnie. And you probably are familiar with they are flying between New York and Paris with single aisle transatlantic, all business class. Here's 76 seats across the whole cabin. So even from row 1 all the way down to row 20, all business class A321. So I think we will see a lot more single aisle airplane transatlantic. This is the trend at the moment. Who are you, night owl or early bird? I want to show you the cool stuff. I've seen all these arts on the window. First time I've seen something like this. This is also fairly good idea, fairly good creative. This perhaps is the future of flying. So it's actually, there's no pilot flying. It's a self-fly, almost like a drone kind of plane. It's a test pilot project just to see whether it makes economic sense, whether you get the popular acceptance from the general public. So Mitsubishi has rebranded their MRJ into M90 and launching the M100. Behind me is the mock-up of M100 aircraft.
So when you come inside, the first thing you'll notice is the shape of the fin. They're unique and they're different from any other aircraft out there. So you see this concave shape that really opens up the cabin.
Okay, this is a concave shape. Yeah, I look at this bin here. This is
And
quite
then you have a
interesting.
very smooth transition compared
Yeah,
to some
this
of the
is-
other aircraft.
Like first class into
Yeah,
economy. Right. Okay.
US size roller bags goes first.
Big suitcase, carry-on suitcase can fit in. Interesting. I like the shape of it because it gives you a lot of headroom.
Yeah. And if you're sitting down in, for example, in an economy class seat, on the inboard seat, you have plenty of headroom.
Oh yeah, even this comes down on me. I don't hit my head, right?
Right.
Good. Excellent. It feels spacious.
It's very spacious. So you have an 18.5-inch seat width. It's actually one of the most spacious seats available on the regional jet.
What's the difference between M90 and M100?
So the M100 is specifically tailored for both the US and the global markets. So that in the United States there's the scope clauses. Scope clauses don't allow us to take off an aircraft more than 86,000 pounds of weight. So in order to carry 76 passengers 3 class, but with next generation technology, we've had to design this aircraft to fit within those constraints.
Skytrax 6 Airline of the Year 2019, Qatar Airways. We are going places together. Yay!
Welcome on board our Airbus 350-1000. Let me introduce you to the Q Suite. So here we have the best selling point from our 350-1000, the Quad, which is actually the possibility for 4 people, a family, friends to travel together. So let's say, for example, here a couple will be able to lay down, be in a flat bed, while having the children just in front, maybe dining together, just watching a video. So this is like very convertible. In the beginning, it's actually 4 individual Q suites, and then we are putting all the panels down. Here, these screens are opening, but we always have the ability to close them and reopen them. So the options are really multiple, so we can make it 3, we can make it 2. And let me show you over there the main purpose of the Q Suite, so to share a meal. So this is our snack platter, is a signature from the Q Suite. So it's really the best example of a dining in the air, like in a proper restaurant, but actually going to your favorite destination.
Q-Theme by Qatar Airways. So this is new, right?
Yes,
I need to have an update. I haven't flown Qatar for a while.
We use less plastic. We're trying to cut down even more on that. And the portions are about 25% bigger than they used to be.
Okay, so bigger meals and more environmental friendly stuff.
That's correct.
Beautiful economy class. Look at all these screens. Isn't it fabulous?
The 350-1000 flight deck. There is 6 big screens in the flight deck. All of them can be changed. For example, if I want this information in the middle, it's very easy. A lot of things is digital. We don't have any more paper at all. If we fly at 41,000 feet, as a passenger, you will feel like to be at 6,000. So you will be less tired after a long flight.
There's one French airplane maker I have to see here. It's the Dassault Aviation. And today Dassault is launching the 6X mock-up cabin of their super new, super mid-sized long-range private jets. So with me is Jim, and Jim's going to show us the interior of 6X.
First time ever in a corporate jet, we wanted to find a way to make the galley area of the plane a little bit more friendly, a little bit better lighting.
We might even see the Northern Lights flying through.
Lights,
yeah. Amazing, look at this. A stone, marble stone, and the walkway of the airplane. This is upscale. This is wide and very spacious. Big windows as well. I mean,
how about this? 104 inches wide, 6'6" tall. It's the largest cross section in business jet aviation history. And you really get
Say again, it is the biggest?
It is the largest cross section of a fuselage in aviation and business jet history. Dassault does a wonderful job with laying out the lounge area with the windows. The second section of the airplane is this beautiful dining area. And I want to show you something unique. If you maybe take one of those seats.
Yep.
One of the nice things about having the big fuselage is now I can sit very comfortably across from the dining table. And now from going from just 4 people eating dinner or having a conference or playing cards, whatever it might be, 3,900 feet.
3,900 feet cabin altitude. Wow, I always love planes, first of all, wide. And also I like planes wide and long and far. It's 6X is fitting into what exactly I like. How fast does a 6X go?
We fly as fast as Mach 90.
Mach 90, wow. 9/10 of the speed of sound.
Yeah,
that is fast.
That's exactly right. The aft compartment here, this is like a little stateroom.
Nice.
And you'll find that the divans will come together. This will make a queen size bed.
Queen size bed. So they join together.
They join together.
Excellent.
Very comfortable for sleeping.
What's the price tag of such a luxury super mid-sized jet here?
Well, we're very lucky to offer the Falcon 6X for an introductory price of about $47 million in today's dollars.
Hopefully one day, AirSam Tree, this idea is not that far away. Maybe we can own one Dassault 6X.
So when you make a big cross section for the people who fly in the back, the benefit for the pilots is it's also a big cross section. So we're going to make the chairs so that they can recline.
You guys think about the crew as well. Here's a quick summary of the 53rd Paris Air Show. Airbus so far had launched the A321 extra long range. Now on the Boeing side, 777X engine has been identified a wear problem on the front compressor. So the engine needs to be redesigned, and this will delay the 777X. Boeing came out and saying the new 797 or the NMA, the new middle range airplane, is still under assessment. There will be no decision made this year on that. They focus their energy on fixing the 737 MAX issue. CEO of Boeing Commercial, Kevin McAllister, saying any lesson from the 737 MAX crisis will be applied to the 777X, to any future aircraft program as well. And it is a lesson learned from the Boeing side. Well, I hope you enjoy the Paris Air Show and all the beautiful flying displays. Thank you very much for watching it.